But it started moving. Ooh, it's like my mind dreamed up and down. Ooh, these patterns, they envelop me. Distortion.
So, hear this. I never really got to experience a hot country during winter season, so I told myself, it would be interesting to change the plot a little bit. And I searched and researched and searched again until I came up with a great idea. Canary Islands. I booked the tickets, I grabbed my camera and off we went.
Relax and enjoy your process.
After countless hours on the road, we wanted a more traditional experience. So what a better way to get a taste of those wastelands than riding the camels.
Let's see some more animals,
My sister said. Clear our minds, we went on one of the most lonely and quiet islands I've ever seen.
These patterns, they envelop me. Distortion.